Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to make a habbo retro. So first of all, go to the free webs to create your own site. Then download Hamachi, click the weird triangle with the circles on the ends, click the create a new network. Most people name their network the name of their hotel and put their password as 123. Then download the WinRAR, click the WinRAR 3.70 and download it because it is free. So the first step, pick whatever server that you want to use. I recommend Otaku or Habbo SQL, Habbo or Debo. So after you've chosen whatever you want, now put all the files or programs from the WinRAR and put them on the desktop, extract them. Now go on to your free webs, log in, edit my site, and then add new page and name it or login or loader. Done. And then add new paragraph type, and then raw HTML paragraph. Okay, and then now find your IP on the gray Hamachi box thing at the top. There will be about 11 members. So now write the numbers at the top of the box and spot where it says your IP. Then find out your port that you need to start the server. Okay, and then double click the server .exe, and that should have been extracted on your desktop. If you have not, then start the server again. Okay, the ninth step, if your server exe is up and running, you can go now log into your retro. And then if you're having a problem auto saving, then you did not extract or put all the things that were downloaded with the server onto your desktop. Now that you have the retro up and running, you can make a good home page for your site, so it will be more friendly and such. Now start creating a template for your retro. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.